As a physics teacher, many times I think about my own personal activities and I take them from a physics perspective. So I prepared a presentation for you all, and it's all done with the PowerPoint in the middle of the screen. But you might be kind of curious about these other screens. In a moment, I'll talk about the live real-time data, and I'll also tell you that this is constantly being internet streamed out to the world beyond this classroom. There's also a chat session going on where people have been asking various questions and making positive remarks to my efforts today. But the PowerPoint, the first goal is to talk about physics. Work, power, angular, linear, momentum, all this good stuff. Yeah. That's the meat of today's presentation. Next slide. I want to demonstrate some of these principles. So I've got to be on a bike. I can talk about angular momentum and why angular momentum is allowing my bike to be balanced. I will be taking mandatory stretch breaks. I've already done 2 or 3 today, just for 1 minute. Essentially, as I get into the physics of this apparatus that I constructed, I can't coast. If I try to coast, boom, the bike will eventually fall over because the wheels come to a stop. So I can't coast down a hill or coast up to a stoplight. So I have to constantly be pedaling. So I've told myself I'm going to take a 1 minute stretch break per class, just to kind of give my body a chance to stretch out for the entire 140-mile endurance event. I will get off to go to the bathroom if I need to. In the first 61 miles, I haven't elected to use that option. Next slide. On the right-hand screen up here is real live-time data streaming of what I'm doing, both physically, from my heart perspective and the bike perspective. I have various sensors on my bike that go to a watch, and that watch is actually sitting up here. I'm pointing to it right now on the floor. I got a webcam showing you that watch up on the screen. So what are these 4 pieces of information? I need to slow down a little bit.
Yeah, people are saying that.
You guys give me a sec.
Your dad said to slow down.
Yeah, your dad told you to slow down.
Sorry, what?
Your
Dad said to slow down.
Oh yeah?
Also, you're on Facebook.
Tell my dad to try to catch up.
And
the upper right-hand number is how many miles I've already gone. There's a magnet on a spoke on my back tire, and as it comes around a sensor, it tells the computer how many times it's rotating per minute. Therefore, it can calculate speed and distance. The bottom right-hand corner is how fast I'm currently going. Right now, I'm doing about 20.7 miles per hour. You'll see if I slow down, both on the bike, right now I'm doing about 11 miles per hour, so it's real time. I can speed up, and right now I'm doing 24. I have gotten this puppy up to over 40, but I'm not going to do that because it exerts too much pressure on my heart that I won't be able to recover later on.